In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom thank you page in Tally. We'll guide you through this process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the search bar. Type in Tally.so and click on the correct link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the main site where you can either explore the platform if it's your first time or proceed to log in if you already have an account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and access the form editor. This is where you can open the specific form you want to edit. It's from here that you'll be making changes to enhance the user experience by adding a custom thank you page. Inside your form editor, scroll down to the very end of the form. Here, you're going to type in the command /thank in the text input area. This will bring up a set of options from which you'll select the thank you page block. It's an easy and intuitive process, just like adding any other form element. After you've successfully added the thank you page block, it's time to personalize it to align with your brand or message. You can start with text and headings. This allows you to add a thank you message, confirm submissions, or even provide additional instructions that might be relevant to the user. It's a great opportunity to express your gratitude or instruct users on next steps. Adding images is another great way to enhance your thank you page. By uploading images that match your brand, you can create a more cohesive and visually appealing experience for the users. This helps in maintaining a professional look while further engaging your audience. If you have important links to share, you can include them on this page. This could be to your company website, your social media profiles, or any other relevant pages you think users might find useful after completing your form. For a more engaging touch, you might consider embedding media like videos or other interactive elements. This adds a layer of richness to your thank you page, making it not just informative, but also dynamic and interesting to explore. If you are a Tally Pro user, you get an additional benefit. You can configure your thank you pages to display conditionally. For example, you can show different pages based on the user's specific answers or outcomes on a quiz, whether they achieve a higher or lower score. It truly personalizes the user's journey. Once everything is set up just the way you like, take a moment to preview your thank you page. When you're satisfied with how it looks and functions, go ahead and publish it. This will generate a shareable link that you can distribute as needed, knowing you've added a personal touch to your form completion process. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a thank you page in Tally.so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.